I'm going to do a quick video this week to cover Murphy's Law, as this kind of links with the other models I presented. Right, Murphy's Law is a simple statement basically saying that if anything can go wrong, it will. Murphy's Law is a law that we're all familiar with in everyday life. It's got many names that you may be more familiar with, such as Sod's Law, and there's variations of this law all around the world in different languages and different ways. Okay, three quick examples of Murphy's Law, just so you can get the idea of what it is. Imagine like you're having your breakfast in the morning. You've got your cooked breakfast, your buttered sliced bread and your tea and everything, and you drop one slice of bread on the floor. Murphy's Law says, or Sod's Law says, that this bread is going to fall with the butter side down. Another quick example you'll be familiar with is like if you're driving in a traffic jam and the line that you're in seems to be moving very, very slowly, but the line beside you is going quite fast. You see the cars beside you moving forwards. Well, Murphy's or Sod's Law says the minute you come out of your lane and move into the lane next door, the lane that you're currently in will slow down, and the lane that you were in will start to speed up and move faster than you are now. Last example, another quick example. Imagine you've been waiting to watch your favourite TV programme all day, and as soon as you switch on the TV to watch your programme, the power and electricity suddenly cuts. That's Murphy's Law, Sod's Law. Okay, let's just do a quick fun experiment and see if this Murphy's Law holds true. Right, a sliced buttered bread on one side. Let's just do a test and see if this Murphy's Law is true. You can see from this experiment that in the case of this experiment, Murphy's Law did prove true. I'll go and give this to the birds outside now, so I don't waste a nice bit of bread. So how does this Murphy's Law that we've just described fall into the aviation industry? Well, just imagine, think of a job that you're doing all the time, day in, day out, and you've become very familiar with it. There'll be a tendency for you to not concentrate as much on it and become complacent when carrying out the task. This task can be something you do all the time, a very routine task such as a visual inspection. You do this every day and there's never anything wrong with it, so you just presume that there's going to be nothing, you're going to find nothing wrong with it again, and this complacency could cause you to miss a crack that's in the structure, or a missing fastener. Sometimes it's easy to adopt an attitude of like thinking to yourself, well, it's never going to happen to me, or it's never going to happen to my company, due to complacency. Murphy's Law says that as we've seen, says that if something can go wrong, it will go wrong. So you need to be aware of this all the time, and you need to steer away from complacency. Always train yourself to find a fault rather than taking it for granted that it's going to be okay, because it is always okay. Also, don't sign for anything you didn't do or didn't see done, even though it may be a very good mechanic who performed a task. If you found the information in this video helpful, please give it a like. If you have a colleague who would benefit from this information or enjoy this information, please share this video. And if you want more content on the subject of human factors, please subscribe below. If you have any comments that you would benefit me or anyone else watching this video relating to this topic, please just leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'd just like to remind you, like I do in every single one of my videos, that I'm not an expert in aviation human factors, but I'd just like to use this opportunity to share my knowledge and experience with you, and this is not an approved training course.